10 AI websites that make money while you sleep 2025 Passive Income Guide. Imagine going to bed at night and waking up to new sales, new downloads, new commissions, or new passive income notifications, all done automatically while you were sleeping. Sounds insane, right? But in 2025, this is not a fantasy anymore. This is the new reality created by it. And what's even crazier, it doesn't matter if you're not a tech expert. It doesn't matter if you've never done online business before. And it doesn't matter if you have zero experience. Because AI websites today are doing 80 to 90% of the work for you. They create the designs. They create the videos, they write the content, they edit, they automate, they publish, and all you do is guide them. Right now, people in the USA and UK are using these exact websites to build real passive income streams, not temporary money, but money that keeps coming in even when they're not working. People using Canva AI are making thousands every month selling templates. People using Midjourney are making passive income selling digital art. People using Pictree are earning from faceless YouTube channels. Bloggers are earning affiliate income using AI-written articles. Etsy sellers are posting AI-made products and getting paid for months on autopilot. The world has changed. The people who learn how to use AI will move ahead faster than ever. And the people who ignore it will keep wondering why others are succeeding so quickly. So today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful AI websites that can make you money automatically, passively, and consistently, even while you sleep. And trust me, number 8 and number 10 are absolute game changers. So watch this video till the end. Let's start building your passive income machine. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, this is the place where we talk about AI online, income, side hustles, passive income strategies, and everything you need to build financial freedom in 2025. And today, as topic is one of the most in-demand subjects online: how to make money while you sleep using AI. Let's be real, everyone wants extra income. Whether you're in the UK dealing with high living costs, or in the USA paying rising bills, or simply looking for ways to increase your savings, passive income is the dream. The problem is, traditional passive income takes years: investing, real estate, starting a business, building a brand. All of this takes time. But AI has changed the rules completely. Now, with simple tools, easy websites, and zero upfront cost, you can start building passive income in days, not years. In this video, I'll be showing you 10 AI websites that anyone can use, beginner or expert, to create passive income streams that keep earning even while you re-sleeping, traveling, or doing your regular job. These sites work worldwide, so whether you're watching from the UK, USA, India, Pakistan, Canada, or anywhere else, these platforms will work for you. This isn't a theory video. These are real websites, real methods, REAL earning systems being used by thousands of people right now. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI website is perfect for you, how to use it, and how you can start building your own passive income stream today. So grab your notebook, sit back, relax, because you're about to unlock the easiest, fastest, and smartest ways to earn online in 2025. Let's begin. AI website. Number 1. Canva AI. Canva has always been the king of online design, but in 2025, Canva AI completely transformed the game. With tools like Magic Design, Magic Write, and automatic layout suggestions. Canva now lets you create professional-level designs in seconds, even if you have zero design experience. So how does this become passive income? Simple. You create digital templates using Canva AI, and you sell them on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, Gumroad, or your own store. And once these templates are uploaded, they keep selling automatically, even when you're not actively working. What kind of templates? Instagram templates, YouTube thumbnail packs, resume templates, business card designs, wedding invites, planners and diaries, ebooks, social media packs, logo bundles, coaching worksheets, real estate templates, fitness planners. The demand is huge because businesses, influencers, students, and creators all need designs, and they want attractive, ready-made templates. Here's how you set this up. Step 1. Use Canva AI to generate 10 to 20 starter designs. Step 2. Add variations, different colors, fonts, layouts. Step 3. Bundle them into packs, for example, 30 Instagram templates. Step 4. Upload to Etsy with SEO titles like Editable Instagram Template Pack, Canva Templates. 2025 Social Media Kit. Step 5. Set price between $3-$20. Now, here's the magic part. Once uploaded, you do nothing. People buy gives, Etsy delivers, automatically gives. You get paid. Thousands of creators are earning $500, $3,000 a month with just digital products. No shipping, no customer service, no manual work. And Canva AI makes designing 10 times faster. You can create a product in 30 minutes that people will buy for years. But AI website number 2. Pictory AI. Pictory is the perfect AI website for creating faceless YouTube videos. You simply type a script or paste text, and Pictory automatically generates a full video with stock footage, transitions, captions, background music, voiceover, edits, and timing. This is massive for passive income because your old YouTube videos keep earning money forever. YouTube automation channels make money from AdSense, affiliate links, sponsorships, digital products, repeat views, and the best part, you don't need to show your face. You don't need to record your voice. You don't need editing skills. Once you upload 30 to 50 videos using Pictory, gives YouTube starts showing your videos regularly. Gives consistent views equals consistent income. Gives viral videos equals huge passive income, real earnings. Small channels equals $200 equal dollars month. Medium channels equals $. $1,006,000 month. Big channels equals $10,000 plus month. All possible with faceless content. AI website number 3, ChatGPT plus Writesonic. This is the most powerful passive income combo on earth. You write entire blog posts using AI gives monetize with ads, plus affiliate links gives earn passively forever. A simple blog with 30 articles, Google ranking, AdSense plus Amazon affiliate can earn $300, $2,000 plus per month. Blogs earn even while you sleep. ChatGPT writes the articles, Writesonic makes them SEO optimized. You simply publish. This is long-term passive income at its best. AI. Website number 4, Midjourney. Midjourney turns your text prompts into mind-blowing digital art. You can sell these as Etsy digital prints, posters, wall art t-shirt designs, stickers, book covers, phone wallpapers, NFT-style artwork, and guess what? Once uploaded, no extra work required. People buy gives you get paid. Midjourney sellers easily earn $500, $5,000 month. It's AI. Website number 5, Opus Clip. Opus Clip automatically takes long videos and converts them into viral short clips for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Passive income options. Upload shorts gives get YouTube bonus plus TikTok rewards. Sell short-form clips to creators. Use clips to grow your faceless channel. Shorts go viral fast. Just one good short can gain 1 meter views. AI website number 6, Flicky AI. Flicky creates narrated videos from text. Great for motivational channels, travel videos, list-style videos, how-to guides. Upload to YouTube and earn passively. AI website number 7 to 11, Labs Revoicer. Create voice packs, gives sell them. Every download equals passive money. Many sellers earn $100, $500 day. AI website number 8, Kittle Plus AI. Create t-shirt designs, gives upload to merch by Amazon. Amazon handles printing, shipping, delivery. You just get paid. Fully passive. AI website number 9, Gumroad Plus. Create digital products using ChatGPT, gives sell on Gumroad. Gives earn forever. Ebooks, checklists, guides, templates, scripts, workbooks, no delivery required. AI website number 10, Notion AI. Create Notion templates, gives sell on Etsy, Gumroad. This niche is exploding right now. People buy planners daily, and there you go, one AI website that can help you build real passive income in 2025. These websites don't require experience, money, or advanced skills. They simply require consistency and the ability to take action. Remember, passive income doesn't mean no effort ever. It means you put in some effort now, and the money continues to come later. If you want a full tutorial on ANY of these websites, comment tutorial below. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More AI earning videos are coming.